In this demo, we are going to set up an automated drip campaign using the Salegrowy Flow Builder. From the main dashboard, go to the left menu and select Drip Campaigns. Then click the green Create New Drip Campaign button. This opens the visual flow builder. To start, drag a template node from the left sidebar onto the canvas. You can select an existing template here. But for this demo, let's create a brand new message. Go to WhatsApp Templates and click Create New. Enter a template name, select your language, and choose Marketing as the category. For the header type, choose Image. Then, upload the media file you want to send to your customers. In the body section, type your message. Note that I am using a variable, formatted as curly bracket 1, to insert the customer's name dynamically. Add your footer or buttons if needed and click Submit. Meta usually approves this instantly. Once the status shows Approved, we are ready to use it. Let's head back to the Drip Campaign Builder. Click on the template node and select the follow-up template we just created from the drop-down list. Upload the header image again here. Then, under Template Parameters, map the variable to Contact Full Name. This ensures the message is personalized. Now, to automate the sequence. Drag a delay node onto the canvas and connect it to the first message. Click the node to configure the timing. We will set this to wait for 1 minute for this test, though you would typically set this to hours or days. Click Save. This creates a pause before the next action. Now, drag in your second template node for the follow-up message and connect it. Once your flow is complete, click Save Flow and give your campaign a name. To launch the automation, navigate to Campaigns and click Create New Campaign. Select the template you used at the start of your flow. You'll see a preview on the right. Enter a campaign title and select your contact group. This determines who enters the drip sequence. You can filter contacts or schedule this for a later date. We will keep it on now to start immediately. Click Schedule Campaign, confirm your selection, and you're done. Your automated drip campaign is now active.